What metrics you look when optimize the bids? So first off, I'm going to look into ACoS, the advertising cost of sales. If I'm going to optimize my bids, I am very curious to know, am I hitting the target ACoS? Because if I am, probably I do not need to optimize the bid, rather than look into placement and placement modifiers. So that's the first check. Do I have a target ACoS? And if so, am I matching my target ACoS? The second thing that I would look into when optimizing bids, I would look into how far am I from that specific ACoS target. If you're way far off, your ACoS target maybe it's 40%, your current bid allowed you to spend 200% ACoS. And then from there, we would be reducing the bid itself. So if it's a 200% ACoS, we might be decreasing by 10%. If it is 60% ACoS and our target ACoS is 40%, we might be decreasing by 5%. So it really depends on how far you are from your target ACoS. And based on that, first we would cut more and then less until we would be getting to our ideal ACoS.